Oh. Hello, it's a stream. I'm still a bit coffee, but that's life. That's life, guys. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna get some announcements out and let's have a fun stream. I think we should have a fun stream today. That's my opinion. Yes. Getting the announcements out, having a fun stream. Hello, Warrior Princess Gabriel. Are you finally Gabriel? Can I call you Gab? Can I call you Jab? Can I call you Jabster? Sup, Nicola? How are you doing? You're here? Fuck, I thought you tricked me again. Fuck. And Adam is also here. And he's my friend. One of the proudest achievements in my life. I'm compiling, guys. So I hope you think that's very fun. Because I think so. I'm sorry for making Windows problematic sounds. Should we record a little GIF? I think we should. Weekly game dev stream. Whoa, what fun. That's a great tweet. Man, where do I get these tweets from? I mean, come on. Is it even possible to be this good at tweeting? I don't know. Probably not. Hello, Eric. Bum bum. And hello, the Insanium. Is this your first time, Insanium? If so, welcome. If it's not your first stream, then you're still welcome. Okay, let's get a nice GIF. So one of the things I worked on. Oh, I'm tracing a lot. I'm sorry. I'm gonna spam that a little bit, I guess. And when I'm saying, oh yeah, of course I remember you. I was just kidding, dude. It was a freaking joke. It was a freaking joke. Oh my god. We have a lot of enemies. Sometimes, oh, you never look at me. U1F61E. That's a cool emoji, I think. I'm gonna lower the audio levels for the game. Was a bit too cray. Let's just kill everyone. Whew. Oh yeah, we have poison sounds. Oh, that's a bug. That's really annoying. Sometimes when you die, you die in real life. No, but you die instantly instead of going to the dying. You know, the this one. Because I didn't go into that mode, but at least I have it on tape now, so I can have a look at it and see if I'm at a loss for words. The dying, you know? Yeah. Hello, Sansali. Yeah, it's annoying. I need to figure out, because that's a pretty bad bug. If a player suddenly instantly dies when it should actually be given a second chance, that's bad times. It's bad times. Yeah, so what I worked on yesterday is this. The audio is actually traveling with the pig when it's flying. So as you can hear, it pans from one ear to the other when it flies past the player. Okay, alright, I'm fine. Oh, okay. I didn't do it. Let's record a small GIF then. Da. Oh no. Yes. Oh, maybe I should actually do res. Or what is it? 360? Yeah. So you can we can change it to GIF format. So now the game is really tiny, but great for recording GIFs, I think. Really hard to aim though. And so tiny. That was a bad GIF. Maybe some crossbow action could be fun to record. Maybe. That pig is stupid. Oh boy. Yeah, this is good. This is good gameplay. I think that should be it. Alright. Sup Lou, sup Walter. I'm in the dev voice if you wanna join. It's a tiny game. JoJo Games. I get it. I get the joke. Let's show you guys. You're on a bus. Alright. Is the game still open? Yeah, it is. Alright, let's get some good GIF action in here. It's always good with a GIF. Just a GIF warm-up. But oh my god. How do I zoom in? Passa build? No. Oh, I figured it out. Here we go. Zooming in. This is a very slow zoom in. Here we go. Let's take this double kill from here, yeah. I think most people like a good double kill. A skillful double kill. No. It's pretty embarrassing that he was shooting in the wall though. Maybe remove that part. And there, and that, and this, and dead. Yeah, that's a good GIF. That's a great GIF. Guys, I got Evil Within today and I really want to play it. And it's on my mind, but I'll pull through. Oh, there's a new GIF update as well.
Hello?
Hello! Are you actually talking English in the bus? Can I talk with the bus driver, please?
No, I'm not gonna let you.
Could I have a talk with the... Excuse me, bus driver!
Excuse-moi.
Excuse-moi, bus driver. How's it going, Walter?
Now I gotta pretend that this is a important business call or something.
Why did you say that loudly though? That's the worst way to fake it. I appreciate it though.
Do you hear me? No?
You're a bit squiggly, but it's fine. It's not Ruben.
Okay.
That bus has better internet than Ruben.
Yeah, it's actually my phone's internet. I connect like shared hotspot thing.
Oh yeah. Can
So it's
anyone
even
on the
worse.
bus use it though?
No. They gotta use password.
Oh,
You know,
that's horrible.
private like that.
Private like that. So where you're going to the pans?
Yeah.
That's fun. Why can't I move this text?
I am going to Penny, 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 Penny. Yeah,
Did the bus driver
actually...
look back?
Oh yeah. Forgot about that.
He swerves off the road.
Yeah.
It's too good.
Probably.
Probably should at least. I mean, if he knows what's good. You were saying?
I just want to say that Penny actually calls her place Penny's Plaza.
Oh yeah, I know that. I still have her Wi-Fi on my phone.
Okay.
You know what we could do now that we're looking at graphics a bit?
Oh shit. Yes.
We could find a new color for the broken.
Oh yeah, true.
If you wanna do that.
Well, yeah. Something.
Yeah.
You're so like you're not moving.
What are you talking about?
On
Yeah,
stream.
I'm not on the bus.
No, but you're not moving on stream, so I'm having a really hard time just seeing if my stream is playing or not.
Oh, I'm sorry. I will wave. And you should see the wave in about 30 seconds.
I don't think no, it's not playing.
Fuck!
Let's see if we can get it.
Should I just narrate everything I do?
Yes, now I am doing this.
Okay, now I'm doing this. And I just say it like that. I point to the screen what I'm doing. So I was planning to, during this stream, start working on the ammo in graphical user interface. GUI.
Cool. Yeah.
Get rid of that freaking debug text, am I right? Am I wrong?
You are right. Have you posted on Twitter?
It's loading up right now.
Okay.
Man, I got a cut in my lip, and every time I smile, it hurts. Now, isn't that just like the
Sad.
most emo thing?
Oh.
Emotional?
Yes, so.
Stands for emotional. It's weird too,
Oh,
because
I see your tweet.
It kind of changes the gamma on the GIF. Have you noticed that?
No.
It makes it a little... No, maybe not. Maybe it was just the text. Rapat. Can you stop cutting your lip? Well, stop making me freaking smile, you weirdos. Okay. Are you soon there, Walter?
Yeah. Yes. Not soon though. Oh, no, maybe, yeah, in 10 minutes or so.
Oh, fun!
In 10 minutes I got a switch bus.
So how did you get a Chico wave without being there though? That makes no sense.
I found that on my phone. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I think Penny took that photo.
So he wasn't actually saying hi to the Discord at all?
No. Like,
Fuck.
well, maybe back then. Maybe I had it.
Yeah, that's true. We might never know.
Probably said hi to the Discord.
Probably.
This is the first on the go stream that I've ever done.
So this is your stream now?
Yeah, this is my stream.
Fuck.
It's actually really nice to.
Oh, you cut off
be on a,
to be on a.
oh, to be on a bus. Like those buses that go far. not the city buses.
Yeah.
Those that kind of feel like trains.
I hear ya. The ones you sit on when the train railways are broken.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hate those.
Why?
Because it's less comfortable than a train.
Oh wow! And you hate the train?
Yeah. So I hate it even more.
Okay.
Fuck it!
I kind of like trains, and
Well,
I like to ride a bus as well.
Well, fuck you, you idiot.
Can't respond. That's feisty.
The bus driver is looking back.
Yeah.
Oh man, there's a lot of code for the clip and the ammo. But that's fun. Oh, you're drawing with the ammo in the weapon?
Drawing the ammo with the weapon or what?
Like the clip is inside the weapon, right? It's not in the PC.
I don't know. I don't remember. What do you expect? I'm on a bus. I gotta focus on the bus.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean. You know I didn't mean it.
No, I know you didn't mean it.
You know I didn't mean it. Okay, let's do clip first. Clip seems to be a bit easier. And I'm all about that. Fuck you.
Okay.
I said let's do the clip first. Yeah, Walter is on a bus. And the bus driver is trying to get him to stop. But he doesn't want. Stop streaming! This is my bus! I don't want to be in your stupid stream. But it's.
I wonder if it's
illegal.
Even legal. Yeah.
I think it's legal because you see the streaming, like the periscope and all that, right?
Oh yeah.
It feels like.
True.
But maybe not on private property, but it feels like public transit is okay.
Maybe. Maybe, baby.
Don't call me baby without meaning it.
Yeah.
So what?
So I think I gotta go now.
That's okay.
Actually.
Thanks for popping by.
Yeah, might join later.
Yeah, just pop in. Yeah, just pop in, Walter.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, pop in anywhere. Anytime.
Okay. Well, bye-bye.
See you around, hot stuff.
Oi.
I don't think he liked it. I thought maybe it would make his bus driving much more enjoyable, but I might have broken it. Okay, let's do script. Let's make a new script. And I wonder if we want the clip and the ammo in the same one. No, let's just... Not a well-received compliment, no. Yeah, I should really work on my hot stuff compliments. Maybe they come from nowhere and they land too hard. Okay, let's do clip. GUI. I still don't know what the best way to say that is. GUI? 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 I kinda like GUI because it sounds like gooey, and that's really fitting for this Halloween. Yeah, GUI. GIF, GUI, GUI. Yeah, it's even different on the UI. GUI. That just sounds wrong. You pronounce it joy? That's really weird, Charma. GUI? Yeah. Clip, GUI, draw. Let's go with that. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I should make myself a cup of tea. I should make myself a cup of tea. But let's set up all these scripts and then we can compile. And while I'm compiling, we can... hear me out, guys. While I'm compiling, I can do myself a cup of tea. Now listen to this, guys. Doesn't this sound so smart? Let's make a new folder. Can you guys see the folders? No, you can't. But you gotta trust me, though, that I'm making a ammo GUI folder. You guys just have to trust me on this one. So I think we need that, and then we can comment out. Maybe we should just comment out all the debug text for now, just to make it a bit easier to think. I think we should. I really like when it's easy to think. And I guess we could, yeah, just comment out all of this. Yeah. Rapapa, tea, yeah, gotta have some tea. It is tea weather. I even got a freaking blanket on. It's so cold in my apartment. But that's the season. It's right between it's cold enough for the landlords to turn on the heat, and it's starting to get cold. And it's an old stone house, rock house, a rock house. Yeah, it's an old rock house. That's not what I was trying to say. All right, that's the draw. And then we need to have a step for all the animation we're gonna do. If we do some animation, we're probably gonna do some animation, you guys. We have a lot of animation in the game, so why not make more? Should we put this in here? Oh, local GUI effects. Yeah, we already have that. So clip. I'm gonna say GUI. I'm gonna decide on saying GUI. ET. Get it, ET? I do get it. But I think you can't be a conjurer anymore. I think you've overstayed your welcome, and there's the door, and ciao. Just kidding. Let's do ammo GUI. I said it right this time, or at least the way I wanted to say it. Where's the step? Make a copy of the step. Let's make an init. Let's, yeah, init. Aight. Okay, we should be ready to do some live coding, I think. Let's open up the HP bar as well, just to have a reference point. And yeah, I'm gonna compile, start the BRB timer, and get some tea. I'll be back in a hot second. See if I can find it. I can.
This is a regular pony.
Let's jump a couple in the future, maybe this one. See you guys soon.
I really think it should be the other way around.
No, Koso, get up. I want to go. Oh, very nice.
Oh, that's nice.
Koso, you gotta eat this one.
What are you talking about?
It looks tasty.
No. Bojo, I'm a bird woman. I can see that you're lying with your tongue.
Not so good, Koso.
Okay, Bojo. Settle down. I'll taste it. Whoa, my. Shit.
Eat it. Eat it, Koso.
Asshole. Bojo, you're an asshole. You're nothing without Koso. Asshole. Fine, fly away. I don't need you anymore.
This beach is perfect.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god, we can build us a harbor right here. Oh, okay, guys, I'll go collect things. Don't mess anything up when I'm gone, okay?
Oh, Adam, I got an idea. Mess things up. Yeah. Let's do it. No, Slime. Stop it. You have fallen to his command, you weakling. Ugh. Stop being such an asshole. Oh, so I'm the asshole. Well, look what I do to your beach. Now he's the asshole.
You will regret your action.
What are you gonna do me? You gonna hurt me? Oh, you make me scared. Oh, Slime, what have you done now? Shut up, stupid look.
Today I'm gonna build myself a harbor at the perfect pH. Ridiculous.
Ouch.
You guys totally ruined our dungeon.
We're sorry about that.
Oh, did you hear that? He's sorry about it.
Oh, well, then it's all okay in the hood.
Did you hear that, Adam? They're okay with it. I did nothing wrong.
Oh, yeah. We're okay with it. Actually, we're friends now. So let's go and practice some bow and arrow. What do you say?
Oh, bow practice? I like bow practice. These guys are cool. Yes, Adam, I said, you know what, when I made that Santa fall down, this was my plan all the time.
I don't understand this one.
Well. You guys found a dungeon? I love dungeons. And I was almost mad at you guys. We can use these mossy stones in our construction. All we need to do now is find another beach, but come on, that's simple.
You guys totally ruined our dungeon.
Okay, let's go. Did you see where John went? This way, I think. Okay, I trust you. I have no idea.
Have you ever heard a story about a murder? Yes, we all know how that story goes.
Everybody, we have a murder on loose, and that's no excuse to bring a goose. Yeah, I know, boss, but give him a chance. Talk to him. There's something fishy about this.
No, nothing suspicious here.
Come on, that's really suspicious. It's even more suspicious. I'm pretty sure this goose is the murderer.
Killing is cool.
Okay, arrest him right now.
I guess that is one less goose on the loose. Story twist.
What the hell are you doing? You think he is the murderer, but you are wrong.
You see, I was the goose all along.
No!
Oh, but yes, it is I that thinks killing is cool.
Only me killing cool.
Oh, wow, Goose, you saved the day! How can I ever repay?
Footloose! Footloose! Put on your Sunday, Goose!
Animal cruelty is a big issue. Don't abuse any goose. Mama.
Picocho!
Pico, Pico!
You want a rat candle? Let me just open it for you. Could you want a rat candle in your mouth? I couldn't get it. Couldn't open the rat candle.
Picucho, I failed you. I can't open the rule candle.
Ain't a Picocho? He ate a root candle with the paper.
I always saw myself as a well-educated man. I knew what I was getting into. I had it under control. Yeah. Well, let's just say that this was one rule candle too much.
Meow, Picocho, why did you evolve?
Rocho.
Have you ever heard a story about a wish so profound that it didn't even make sense? Well, you're in for a treat.
I'm a doing my dishes and it's pretty nice. I'm a scrub and removing some rice. Shut up! Oh shit! I'm a plate in your dishes and I can grant you 2 wishes.
I want you to be dead.
Your wish is my call. Oh fuck, why?
I don't know, just looking at your corpse, taking a smoke. That will make my day.
Well, I changed my policy. You can't kill me, okay? I wish you never ever can change your policy. No. Damn it, you crazy man. You only have 1 wish left now. Don't you want riches and bitches?
Oh, I wish.
Yes.
You'll be dead.
Stupid man.
Dead play.
You want me to be dead. Oh well, you didn't say how. I might as well go out with an explosion!
Ah, shit, cut my finger.
Death is a wish best served cold. Brain freeze.
A cop. Good thing I haven't done it.
Hey, what's up? It's me. It's me. Oh, look at that! Look how many birds! Jesus Christ! It took some extra time because I was just about to throw my teaspoon in the garbage. I'm not sure why. I was so close to doing it though. Alright. So there was a bug in my code, so it didn't even compile. So when I got back after the tea, I had to fix the bug. Like a freaking idiot. So that's why. Oh, hello, Pinko! You're in there today! What are you doing in there, you silly man? Come out and play! Oh, this is my friend, Pink Elephant. He's a good guy. He's a good guy. One of the goodest. Anyway, let's get some help you? Oh, you got lost? Someone make an arrow in the Discord chat, please. Oh, Walter is still around. I'm glad. I'm glad the bus driver didn't get him. Wait, what did I do? Alright, never mind. It's this one, yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can start figuring this out. Let's just make it big and put it down here. And let's start making stuff. Did you send Pinku back right after Lou pointed him in the right direction? What a prankster. What a Halloween prankster. Alright. In the draw event. Here we are, in the draw event. First off, we need to figure out... Right now we want to get the clip. We want to get the current clip and the max clip. So, draw text. Let's just draw this for now. Let's do 40, no, 20, 40. And the string is clip, clip plus, what is it called? It's clip and something else. Clip is the amount you have in it. Ammo? Is it just ammo? Let's see how it looked in the old version. Maybe we should pause that. I'm working on the ammo GUI. I'm glad you found your way back, Pinko. I'm really glad. So let's go back into the view and our GUI and our draw, and let's just copy this for now. Here we go. So we can have the old code as a reference. It's really long. It's not that long, I'm sorry. Okay, ammo is just what it's called. Clip and ammo. So then we have, let's do a couple of variables here. Current clip, and we have max clip, and we have current ammo, and we have max ammo. These are the ones we will need. So let's use the old code here, which I have a hard time reading. Clip bullets. Let's comment this out so it doesn't crash first and foremost. Oh, it won't crash, so it's fine. So web.clip bullets, and let's just do 0, 0. I guess we can not care about the ammo right now. Let's just do the clip. So clip bullets, and then we have clip plus seal. So web.clip plus the sealed clip divided by 100 times PC clip. I guess I don't really understand it, but let's see if it works. String Yeah, I know I did it wrong. Stop screaming at me. What design are you going with? The one you did a concept of, probably. I need to find it again though, but we can set up the base. Is it still web? Is it not web in player? Is it called something else? Underscore web. Yes, I will try to find it. It's probably really far back in Voidigo talk though. If one of the conjurers could help me find it, that would be super kind, and just post it in the live stream chat. If one of you have a second over, it's fine if you don't though. Then we'll just wing it. Why? Let's see. Object player does not have variable clip. Oh right, we need to add it in here as well. That's why. Okay, now it says 6. You see it updated down here. It says 6. Wait, which was it? It was Walter did a concept of the GUI with it had the health bar, and underneath it it had the ammo and clip. Yeah, maybe search for clip and ammo concept. Maybe you can find it. Or just clip or ammo or something. Why is... Oh yeah, it's just clip. So if we shoot now, yeah, it updates. Nice, okay, so those are the right numbers and we are drawing them correctly. The language we're coding in is GameMaker's internal language called GM. I think it's just like GM language or something. It's pretty casual as far as scripting programming languages go, but it works pretty well. Game Maker language, GML. There we go, Pinko did it. I'm glad he found his way back. Ah, perfect, thank you. What would I do without you, Pico? Everybody, give a clapping hand to her. Give her a good clapping hand. I will start this off, a good clapping hand. Who put the freaking flag? Eric, what are you doing? But yeah, that's the... Wait, did you write it in Swedish? Oh, maybe you did. I guess you took a print screen of our private chat. I really like to see how the health bar looked back then and how it looks now too. It's nice to see some updates on that. I'm gonna save this as an image to my desktop real quick, so I can have it on the side of my computer. Yeah, okay. What a weirdo that guy is. Okay, so all we want to do is just put a little segment. So let's just draw the bar normally for now. That's the perfect emoji to answer with too. Okay, so let's draw a rectangle and a white rectangle inside it. I think that's what we should do. So here we go. Draw health background, drop shadow. Guess these, yeah. Basically need these and this. And it should be a good base. And then let's just change HP underscore to, no, not tra. HP underscore to clip underscore. Bloop, 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 bloop. I guess we can skip this one for now. Draw, clip, drop shadow and background. But this is the main one though. We need that one. No! Okay, no, it's fine. Smooch. So let's just take this code and push it down a little bit. It's good to still have it. Oh, a bird jumped up to me and got angry. Oh no. Oh no, I'm gonna get a bunch of arrows now. That's fine. So we want to have a bar X, and that's 20. We want to have a bar Y position, and that should be maybe 40 would be a good one. And then we have clip bar width, and that's, let's see. I guess we can do 100. I think that's a pretty good default. And then we have the height. Let's see, what was the height of the other one? Oh, it's not even in here. We have to rummage for it. Effectiveness in here. Yeah, 9. Okay. 9. So the question is if we want to draw a little rectangle for each bullet, or if we want to draw a segment. I think a little bullet, a little rectangle, drawing that individually would be better, because then we can actually change the color and do some animation on it. Yeah, I think that's probably would probably be a better idea. Okay, well, first we just want to draw the actual rectangle. Let's not get ahead of ourselves here. I mean, come on. Yeah. Next one is we don't have any more. Let's save this, see if we get something. Look at that. Not really. It's a good start. It looks like it's about the right length. I should maybe do it like this actually. So I add the concept in here, so we can have it as a reference. Let's maybe put it up in the corner like this. This is our reference. Good to have. Yeah, I wonder if we want to have rounded edges. Maybe that's more fun than completely sharp, squarish. But let's start off by making them touch. So they are side by side. So that would be 20. Can't be 29. I guess we have to kinda shoot from the hip, which is fine. That's too much. Maybe 35. And that's perfect, I think. One thing though is that we should draw this underneath the health bar though. But we can fix that afterwards. Maybe it's nice to have... yeah, imagine this without GM Live. Yeah, the dark edges. Let's try 36. No, so we actually got the right number. Are you mocking me, Walter? Imagine if you worked with Game Maker and you didn't have this. What a bunch of chumps. I mean, come on, wake up. Okay, so too Swedish. Let's do a for loop. And I still open the documentation and copy. Because I'm a scrub. Because I'm a for loop scrub. Oh, we got another bird! The birds are slowly making their way to the player. It's kind of funny. That's kind of funny. Isn't that funny? Too Swedish, keep it down, Axe. I'm sorry, Pico. I'm truly sorry. It's kind of nice with the ambience when working. It's a nice ambience. So here's the hard part. Figuring out this. Let's start by drawing one. So let's start at 0. Just draw one and then do a plus plus. Draw clip. What would you call these? Segments. So we start at bar X. I guess let's make a segment X equals bar X plus I times spacing, and let's do a var spacing. Let's do just a number for now. We're not gonna see this anyways. Oh, I guess it's more optimized to draw a sprite. I'm actually drawing a sprite. Oh, because this is Vadim's, and also we're gonna need to scale it. But this is a sprite. This is Vadim's code. It's draw sprite extended. And it's drawing sprite white 32. Oh my god. So it should be fine. I guess we should start at 1. Because we want the spacing for the very first bullet as well. Yeah. And then we should do var segment width. Let's just do 10 for now. Just do some look dev. Let's do segment height, and that could be maybe 4. Alright, and segment y, and that should be bar y minus maybe, no, plus maybe 3. Yeah. And we want them to be white. Okay, let's try that. See kinda how it looks. So right now we just want to get a nice height and Y placement. And then we can figure out the amount and width based on the max ammo or max clip. So it needs to be longer, so maybe 6. No, that's too much. Oh, it's pretty good. It feels pretty centered there. I think this is pretty good actually. Yeah. Right? It feels pretty good. Should it be maybe a... It's pretty alike to the concept right now. Like. Don't forget to like my YouTube videos, guys. Yeah, it feels pretty good. Let's go with that. It's easy to tweak. Easy to tweak, hard to let go. That's my slogan. Let's indent these so it's a bit nicer. And let's do a loop through each bullet. Okay. Now it's the tougher part. So we want to draw the current clip. Right? Yes. So we start at 1. Will we get 6 now? Oh, we didn't get anything. Why is that? We start at 1, we go until maybe we need to do this. No diff. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm drawing segment Y. Okay, well, I guess we have to tweak the numbers a bit now. Yeah. Oh, wait, no, it's... Let's do 30 here. Right? Yeah. 15, no, 20. Okay, so now it's too far down, so we need to push it up a little bit. Actually, bar Y looked good though, so... yeah, maybe 1? Ooh, this is hard to tell. Maybe if we try just pushing the clip down a little bit for now, it's easier to tell. Looks pretty in the middle to me. I'm sorry for I'm still here, guys. Still, I'm looking at the GUI. Yeah, looks good. Looks tight. Do we get 6 of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We do get the right amount when starting at 1. Oh yeah, because it's less than or equal. So we get the right amount. Now we just need to somehow get the spacing based on the width. So that would be max clip divided by the width, right? If we open up a little calculator, let's say we have 6 divided by 100. No, that doesn't make sense. Plus segment If we do it the other way around, maybe 100 divided by 6. Yeah, that makes more sense, I think. Let's try that. That looks good. And if we start at 0 and we do less than, okay. What happens if we get a different weapon? If we get this weapon, now it should be spaced out by 3. Yeah. There's some math today, guys. That's fun. Oh, birds. Is 6 the max? Yes. 6 is the max. For this weapon. In this weapon it's 3. The laser. You can see the numbers down there. So now it's spacing them out based on the amount. So it seems like it's correct. However, they are offset a bit to the left. but maybe we can just push them a little bit. Maybe we can just push them one frame. One pix. One pix. Ah, see you around, pink call. Keep it real, dude. So let's try doing just that. So let's do plus oopa duper. +2. Don't start fake devin and dubbing over some other person developing a game. Fuck. Uh-oh. I hope you guys don't go back and look at some of our earlier stream, because that's what we freaking did. Okay, looks like it's pretty good. Maybe we can push it one step further. Maybe just like that. That feels perfect. Look at this. And then we have the laser, and it's just 3 bullets. Now we need to figure out the width based on the amount. Yes. That sounds tough. That sounds tough. I don't want to do it. Maybe we can do the same code. Makes sense. Oh. Now they are pretty droopy. Pretty droopy. Wait. Why did I get an error? Oh. I accidentally removed that. Droopy ammo? Yeah, that's disgusting. There we go. Look at that. And then we can just minus by 3. 3 is a good number. Maybe actually 4. Maybe actually. Maybe it's maybe. So now we have 3 bullets for this one, and look at that. I think we actually got something going here, guys. We got 3 big bullets for this weapon and 6 small bullets for this one. We did the math and we got a good result due to good math. And isn't that the best feeling in the world? Doing math and getting away with it. Good math, thank you, thank you, thank you. It feels like it's still not quite centered though. It feels like it's a bit too high up and a bit too much to the right. That's kind of the feeling I'm getting. So the thing is that how will this look with a weapon with a lot of bullets though? I guess we could get some power-ups that give us a bigger clip. I don't remember which one gives you... Oh, the bandolier, right? Is that clip? Yeah, it is. So if, let's say we have a weapon with a bunch of ammo, how would that look? As you can see, it makes way for... Oh, did it? It looks kind of weird now. Okay, if we reload... that doesn't look very good. That doesn't look very good. Yeah, we need to change this number here based on the amount as well. So when there's more ammo, there's tighter. And this number too, I guess. Right? Did you hear? There's a lot of birds. Rapapapapapapapa. So how should we do that? If we trace, let's trace the bar width divided by the max clip. Let's see what's the number right now. It's 8.3, which is more than this. If our max clip was 5, what would it be then? It would be a higher number. Maybe we should just have smaller segments as a default. Yeah, like that. Maybe actually 3 even. No, 3 looks weird. Should be 2 pixels, otherwise it looks like it becomes kind of wonky. Is it wonky sometimes still? Yeah, it kind of feels like it. Also, I got shit on my screen. What the heck? Also, it goes too far to the right somehow. But I mean, we're getting closer. It feels like it's more relevant to test when you have a bunch of bullets than when you have fewer. Why do they look like they have different sizes? Yeah, that's weird too. Maybe because the spacing. The spacing can actually be a float, and if it's a float it might actually mess up. No, it's not an illusion, it's absolutely there. But I'm thinking that it's because it's a float. You get some weird numbers. Maybe if we just round it. Is that better? It feels like that's better, right? Or is it just me? It feels more... what's the word? Similar. Yeah, it does feel better. But could that also mean that we... Yeah, so... If we round it, we might not get the right length though, because here with 6 bullets it's actually going too far, and with 12 bullets it's not going far enough because we're rounding it. Also, is it a bit too high up? Should it be 1 pixel further down? Or is that just me? Let's try. Yeah, 1 pixel down. Oh, now it feels... That was just 1 pixel. Maybe... maybe it should be 1 pixel longer? 7, yeah. Yeah, that's better. Much better. Yeah. We're figuring this out. But yeah, I wonder what we should do with the width. Also, why are we minusing 2 here? That feels like a bad idea. Oh yeah, right, because... Could you make the red background longer? I could do that, but when it's 12, it's actually the right length. And when it's 6, it's too long. So we need to figure out so is the amount of ammo always divisible with 3? No, it could be anything really. Which makes it kinda hard to... I'm sorry. Yeah, so now it's 7. And it's 14. The 7 and 14 seems to work pretty well. It's 1 pixel too much. Let's get some more ammo until it looks weird. 8 and yeah, here we go. Here's a good. So 8 and 15. 15 is going way too far and 8 is perfect. So we need to figure out a way to get the spacing nice while still rounding it. That's a tough one. Maybe we should actually do bar width -2 instead of minusing 2 to everything afterwards. Does that make sense? No. Really? Does that not make sense? No, it doesn't make sense, I guess. I guess that doesn't make sense. -2. Is it wonky? Yeah, this one goes too far. And it still feels like the ammo is different sizes. How would we fix this? If we remove all of our +2s here. Oh yeah, it's the Void song, guys. Put your lighters up. It goes too far here, it goes not enough far. Not enough far. You got yourself a smoothie? What? Sorry for coughing on your smoothie. That was not cool. That was not cool. But I had to. I was too jealous. T-boy? Yeah, maybe it's time for some more tea. Tea and a thinker. Let's not round it for now. I think it's causing some issues. Now it's perfect. Yeah, both of these go exactly the same length. It's easily deductible from my income. And then we minus that by 2 and we... Banana smoothie? I know you go for banana smoothie. It's not all about you. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. I mean, this looks pretty good. Try flooring it? Yeah, we could try that. But wouldn't we still get issues with it not going far enough? And then we'll do -2. Yeah, now it doesn't go far enough. But it feels like there should be a way to just space them out better. If that's the case. So the spacing is the floored. So no, I don't really know how we would fix this if we're flooring it, because if we do 100 divided by 15, then we get 6.6, and then we floor that to 6. No, I don't think we should round it actually. It's causing issues with... Maybe we can come up with some nice way to fix this later on. Something to sleep on for sure. Wait, now it goes a bit too far. Should it... no. Why not just extending the background? Do we want to do that though? I mean, we could do that. That's totally doable if we want to change that. I mean, we can probably just do a little animation when the clip amount changes anyway, so you wouldn't see that. So in that case, how should we... let's do a new variable. Let's call it spacing. Actually, let's just move this up here. And then we... based on this, we do spacing. The width is spacing times max clip, and then yeah, I think that should be it. I like that the bullets extend though. What do you mean bullets extend? Yeah, this totally works. Like wide bullets when small clip. Yeah. I mean, we can still do that, but just do the little, like right now I'm just adding the really small extra bit that we lose on the end, it's still trying to keep itself to 100 width, and then it just fixes the little extra part in the end. But I think this is a good solution. It's we just need to extend it a bit on the right side so it's symmetrical. But I think this looks pretty good. Yeah, it's a good idea to change the background. You're a smart one. You're a smart one, Walter. So lucky to work with this wise boy. What would I do without this wise boy, guys? So now we just need to fix that little that extra pixel in the end. I guess we just put one extra here. Yes. No. Almost. Like this? No. Should be -4. Now it's symmetrical, I think. Oh, but that's way too tiny. Yeah, that doesn't work. We need to have two pixel segments, otherwise it's gonna be too narrow. So how should we... I guess we could just make the bar width a bit further, a bit longer, just 2 pixels longer. Maybe it's better to fix it like that. Yeah, that looks good. Look at that! Let's spawn some different weapons. Here's the sawed-off. Nice long bullets on this weapon. Here's the rifle. It's kind of weird that it's just consuming 1 bullet when shooting 3 times. But that's how this weapon works. If you don't, you guys don't know how these weapons work. This is the flampol, looks pretty good, yes, yes. This is the ruffle. Yes, yes. We should spawn 1 bone bow. 3. Nice. I've got a bunch of bandolier upgrades just so the difference is more, but I think this works pretty well actually. Feels pretty solid. I like this. I mean, the biggest problem is gonna be the ammo, because the ammo can be a whole bunch of bullets. But I guess no, that's... We should probably just set up oh, I didn't have enough for the full clip. Thank you, thank you, thank you guys, thank you guys. I couldn't have done it without my friends. Let's just see... No, that's not the one we want. Let's spawn a bunch of ammo upgrades and then we should actually clamp it. So if it's too many bullets, it shouldn't look weird. So let's just what weapon has the most bullets or the highest clip? Could it be the revolver actually? Yeah, so here's an issue. You see we have 38 here, and It's too many bullets to... Thank you, it's Engan. He's a great sound magician. Sound sorcerer. Yeah, revolver. So we need to have a minimum. And let's see where this goes wrong. Let's open up the calculator again. My favorite game. So if we're flooring 100 by 36, it's flooring it to 2. First off, I guess we should have a max so that it can never go under 1. And then we should have in the bar width, no, let's see, yes, big credits to Engan. Also, we can stop spamming the debug. I'm sorry. Let's move this up. Do you have the spacers in mind when you made the width of the bullets in the old calculation? Did you have the spacers in mind when you made the width of the bullets? The one where you didn't extend the background? Yes, I did. It's still kinda using the same code as before. It's just that instead of having a whatever number in here, we're calculating the width based on the spacing, but we're still using 100, which was the width before, as the default number. So it's always gonna be around 100. So it's easy to change if we want to make it longer later on. But we need to... Is it the clip bar width that's too... No, that's fine. It's the segment width that we need to put a max on. Yes, that's true. So let's put a max on this one. Ooh. That could cause issues though. Let's put a max of 2. So now it would probably go too far. What? We still don't see it? Oh, because we do minus. Because we do -2, so 4. Yeah. Is the other weapon still fine? Yeah. So, but we're getting closer to finding an... So... Oh yeah, that's true. We need it to be 6. But that's gonna... Ah, still an issue? 8? What? Don't get this. What the hell? 3? Yeah. I get it now. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's some freaking spider legs. Yes, I guess we have to do the segment width in our calculation as well, actually. So let's move this one up here. And let's do spacing. So we get the spacing here. It can be a minimum of 1. And then we get the segment width. And that can be a minimum of 2. This is probably too crazy though. Should probably have 2. Does that change anything? Probably does. But it didn't. I shouldn't have said anything. Now I just looked stupid. Shit. Fuck. Yeah. A lot of math tonight, guys. Trying to make heads of this. Yeah, now this one is kind of weird too. It's really funny when you have a huge clip on the bone bow because you shoot so fast before you reload. Doesn't make any sense, but it feels pretty good. We have the, let's go through this again. We have the spacing. Let's trace the space. Let's do spacing, spacing. What is our spacing right now? Our spacing is 2. And then we trace our segment width. What is the segment width? It's 2. So spacing 2, segment 2. That means it's just a long line. Which means that the spacing should be 4 minimum. Yes. There we go. We figured it out, guys. Well, we kinda figured it out. Now we can have 1,000,000 bullets like this, but we need to fix the width for these guys now. Somehow it's still broken here. I don't get that though. Why is that? Oh, is it because we set the... Ah, it's probably because we need to do this down here. Right? Yes! That's why. There we go, guys! We figured it out! We did the math again! Now we can have how many bullets we want. The game is slowing down now though, because the GM Live loop thing can be pretty hefty sometimes. But that's fine, it's just because we're live coding this shit. But yeah, look at that! Now you're gonna feel really powerful when you have a bunch of bullets. And now they should be the same size, I think. maybe not. They feel a bit wonky. I'm not sure how to fix that though. I don't think it's a big issue. I think it's fine actually, yeah. So what? How would it look if, let's say, we get a crazy amount? Sup water, what's the hap? Let's just get a bunch of bullets. Yeah, so at this point it's just extending the bar because it can't do any smaller segments. So at that point it's just extending the bar. So it has a minimum size. So it's feels like a good system. We should draw. I'm glad you decided to go to English after the first word. We should draw them to a surface and update the surface when shooting. Okay. Why is that? Is there a difference? Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. Yeah, I wonder. I think I would be able to figure it out. I don't really feel like figuring it out tonight though, but yeah, you're right. And then it would only actually do the loop if the drawing is changing. It makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense. Would probably not be a big thing to do. Would probably be a good exercise for me to figure that out as well. Sup, Tim Bedu? Bedo? Bedet? Bedet? Bedo? Bedu? But yeah, I'll take a look at that. Probably not tonight though. I feel like I've done enough thinking. I'm getting pretty thinked out, you know. Bow and arrow. Oh, Baudet. Well, very welcome, Tim Baudet. How are you doing? Always glad to see a new face. You come in at the end of the stream. Well, at least you come in at the end of the thinking part. I don't think we're gonna do much more thinking tonight. One thing though is, let's just do a temp ammo count, since I hid that for now. So we don't need this. We can start cleaning up this code a little bit here. I don't want to do the ammo until we've completely figured out how to do the clip. If we're gonna do a surface and all that, yes. Then we should figure that out before doing that. So one thing, yeah, Walter? Maybe I shouldn't be completely quiet while Walter's typing. but okay. Maybe we should have the ammo be string. I see your point, because the ammo can be a really high number. So, I mean, in your concept here, the ammo is just 20 or something, and that's super tiny for an ammo. So you would never have that. Maybe we want to have it as how many times can you reload? No, that doesn't make sense either, because you can sometimes reload and not get your full clip back. So that doesn't really make sense. So how would we put the ammo as a string nicely, do you think, Walter? What would be a nice way to show that? I wonder. Man, there's so many bullets. This is gonna take all day. Do number full reload. Oh, that was. I can't say reloads. Do number full reloads until you have 1 or 2. And then show that plus bullets. Reload clip icon could be bigger than bullet image. Yeah, I see what you mean. Underneath in a stylish way. Yeah. Do you think we should have some space between the health bar and the ammo? I just did it for now because it was easier to read, but I kind of like some space between them. If we're not gonna have one more bar underneath, then it feels like it works pretty well, right? Do we want to have the max ammo or just the current ammo? Yeah, maybe we want to have max ammo as well. Yeah, I think we should keep with this. I guess we could draw the ammo real quick. Just do some look dev on that. Let's do ammo draw, and this is clip draw. So we want to get for current ammo better for readability. Yeah, I agree. And then we need the max ammo. And then we just need to draw that shit. For ammo string, for ammo X, for ammo Y, for ammo scale, draw. Let's set the H align to be in the middle for center, and let's set the V align to be for top, so it's aligned in the middle and at the top. It feels like that makes sense. Let's draw X plus y string. No, it's transformed. Yes. Ammo scale. Ammo scale. 0 angle. Doop 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 doop. This should be the string of current ammo plus. We already did this before, but I'm redoing it because I'm a smart guy. And give me your money. Let's say the x should be bar x plus the width divided by 2. So the ammo text is always in the middle of our clip bar. See you around, Charm. 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 Y should be bar y plus the height. No, yeah. So it's at the bottom. Okay, so now we just need to figure out the numbers. And the numbers are inside of the view. Whoops. Whoops. Here we go. Ammo. This one is pretty long. So this is the current ammo, so it would be just PC whip ammo, and then it would be all of this. Object key whip ammo max. Whip. Whip, I think. Plus round object key whip, and then times PC ammo. We're doing something wrong? Yeah. Okay, let's see if that's the right number. No. Does not have the variable. Object player does not have the variable whip. Oh yeah, because up here we need to have the same. 28. And then nothing? Why is it nothing? Ah, we forgot a plus. Okay. Yeah, it feels like that could absolutely work. Yeah. Yeah, it's not too bad actually. Let's see if we can draw it a bit nicer. Sup, the game one game. Welcome to the stream. I'm Axel, and you are. Tell me who you are. You really should. Draw. Let's do. Let's move these to the top up here, and let's draw these a couple times. So we want to draw text drop shadow. Can you not do Yeah, I guess not. Draw set color. Draw set alpha. Color should be player color background. The alpha should be 0.2. Or what is it up here? Yeah. And then that is good. And then we draw the background. Set the alpha back to 1 and we draw these 4 times. We do +2, -2, +2, -2. Oh, Jared! That's a cool name. You're very welcome. Especially with that name. So let's try drawing the player color. Let's see how this looks. I did not like that. That did not look very good. Maybe if we do maybe if we do god damn it. Maybe if we do like this. No, I did not like that either. I actually like that less. It's really hard to read right now. Yes, of course you can ask me anything. It's an AMA. Let's do extended for these and let's try spacing out the numbers a little bit. So let's do for ammo sep. Sep and width. For ammo width är lika med. I did mean to say that. I'm not a stupid man. Sep width. No, that's a 2. Dum 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 dum. Where are you from? I'm from Sweden. What? Did nothing change? Is 5 this same number? 10? What? Why is it not separating? Ammo sep is 10, but it's still not changing how it's drawn? 50? What? What's going on here? What am I doing wrong? $200? Where are you from, Jared? Why isn't it changing? This is really weird. This makes no friggin' sense. Germany, that's a cool place to be. Do you go to nightclubs every day? I would if I was in Germany. I'm not really getting why we don't get the separation here. I mean, am I not getting the separation? The distance in pixels between lines of text. Okay, what I want is the distance between each symbol. So is that something else? So how do I make the text more? Are you using a DB? What's a DB? Distributor? Of course I am. Let's do a quick Google. Game Maker space between letters. Spacing between characters. Characters is the right word. Oh, you do it in the font. So maybe we should do a new font for this text. We actually don't set the font at all. Draw set font. Font chat. Let's try that one. We actually, that's the one we're already drawing. Oh, you can't you change the spacing between the words here either? Okay, so how would you do that? Because I don't really want to draw each character. I mean, it wouldn't be hard for someone like me, but still kinda annoying. Let's just see if we can get it more readable from now. I mean, just yeah, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I think we need to do some concepts on this. But it's working now at least. Let's just reset everything. I mean, it's a good start, I think. Maybe we want to have some ammo icon on each side of the... Oh my god, can everybody get out of town? Ooh! Database? A database for what though? I don't really understand the question. But yeah, I think I'm done for tonight because I really wanna check out The Evil Within before I go to bed, so I can have some nice nightmares, you know. But I think this is totally a solid base that we did today. We can spawn a couple of different weapons. I think this one is just one big bullet. Ooh! It's not really correctly spaced when it's just one bullet, guys. Look at that. Why is that though? Man, it's always like this. As soon as you wanna go, there's always something pulling you back. And then 2 hours have elapsed. And you fixed one bug. I'm gonna take a look at this bug some other time, actually. I'm not gonna look into this right now. Because I think we wanna sleep on this design anyways. And test it out. But it's probably... the issue is probably... No. Let's reload. I'm sorry for leaning in, that's really... I didn't mean to breach anyone's personal space. Two bullets looks good. Look at that. That looks good. Unprofessional. Yeah, I'm sorry. Are you used a script with a database? I still don't really understand it, the one game. I'm sorry. When the answer is probably no though. We don't use a database for our scripts. But yeah, two bullets looks pretty good. And 6 bullets looks pretty good. And then as soon as you change weapon like this, everything would probably have a nice little pop or a change anim. Oh, thank you for following. Even though I said no, you followed. That really shows great character. That shows great character. But yeah, I think that's it for tonight. Actually, since Ben just showed up, I'm gonna stop streaming, guys. This guy just keeps pranking me and I can't really take it. Is the health bar color gonna change based on what character you are? Okay, since he asked a nice question, I can tell him. The color of the UI and as well as the cursor is based on what color pen my butt is based on what color you choose. So it's kind of like in, you know, all the Pokemon games where you could choose what GUI you wanted. So right now it's just randomized. Every time you start the game it's a different color. So here it's more turquoise, and let's see what we get now. Now it's blue. So the color is something that you will be able to customize based on whatever color you want. You feel looks nice. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to unlock color schemes. I don't know. Might be fun, might be lame. If we can think of some fun way to do it, maybe. But otherwise, you're just gonna be able to choose whatever color you want. But yeah, that was our first little version of the ammo GUI. Glad you guys could hang out. I'm gonna bounce. See you guys next time. Mwah! It's almost too bad because I want to like quit on the mwah, but then I have to awkwardly just scramble up to the stop recording button. So I'm gonna do that now.